Okay, so we've closed this roof up, and there's no obvious leaks here anywhere on your roof. There's no cracked tiles or that, and the bedding and the pointing all looks in good condition. The only thing I noticed is that like this tile here has got no paint left on it at all, and a few of them you'll probably find if we high pressure hose the roof, all this concrete's bare. So that's not a structural problem as such, but you know, in a few years time your tiles start degrading because they're exposed to the heat and the water all the time, so it's better to seal them. I think the leak that you had over here is in relation to this downpipe being blocked up with leaves, and probably this tree here had leaves sitting on the roof at some stage, and the water might have flowed over into the roof through the tiles, which would be normal if you get a pile of leaves on the roof. It backs up the water and then flows in. I can't find anything else here that would suggest a leak, except for maybe this. No, that'll look pretty good. But see how that guttering's all full. That'll be leaking into your eaves at the moment, which is okay. Well, it's not okay, but it's not what's leaking in your house. But there's no broken tiles anywhere here, so I've checked all of that for you. And if we go over here where that stain is, you can see there's one tile that's been replaced. So I'm guessing that the roof had a leak where that tile was, and that valley there, it looks like a brand new valley. So it looks like when they did the repair, they put in a new valley for you, which is good. And so obviously that leak in the bedroom looks to me like as if it's an old one, but just keep an eye on it. Maybe in the next big downpour, pop your head up the manhole and see whether there's any water coming in, because it's right there.